I actually studied Japanese.
Oh, really? I thought you studied
Mandarin.
Mandarin.
I was East Asian Studies.
Okay.
And we had to choose either Mandarin or Japanese. And at the time, I was a class of 83, 84, and China was tough. You know, Japan was so much more advanced. And if I were going to take my junior abroad, which I was thinking, you know, it would be a very cold year to spend the time in China. And also my parents were China experts, China Sinophiles. So I loved China, but I felt I needed to do something different than my parents. And therefore I chose Japan. And I felt the Japanese thing, it was closer to me. I had lived in Japan when I was 10 years old for a year. I liked Japanese culture. In high school, I spent 3 months in my senior year in Japan studying Japanese, and so I had already a big introduction. And Chinese, I really only studied sporadically for short periods, and I really, sadly, I really wanted to send myself to China for like 6 months or a year to some remote province or some city that doesn't have people who speak English. So I'd really be forced to really learn Mandarin. I can understand quite a bit. I can negotiate in Mandarin. I can schmooze a little bit in Mandarin, but my Japanese is actually far superior.